Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is get into 5 reasons why I believe Tangem Wallet is the best. So we're going to dive into what is a Tangem Wallet, and I want to give you guys some reasons why I like it so much. So if you guys get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, put them down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, on this episode, we are talking about the Tangem Wallet. So if we go up on screen as well, guys, use the link tree. Okay, of course, I'm going to promote this wallet. I am a supporter of the Tangem Wallets. Guys, use code MOOSE and save 10% off. So you guys can go to the link tree. It is pinned down in the comments below, as well as in the description of every video. But guys, this right here is one of my easiest sells, and I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons. But guys, this is a crypto hardware wallet, and it's very affordable. So guys, use code MOOSE, save 10%. Okay, so you can pick up a 2-card, 3-card set. And if you guys want, you could even pick up the ring, okay? So you guys could definitely pick that up. They have a lot of goodies, and I'm going to give you guys some reasons why I believe this is the best crypto wallet. And ultimately, you guys want something like this because it allows you to hold your private keys offline. So if you're using something like a hot wallet, if you have a Chrome extension tool, so even if you're using something like Lace or MetaMask, if you're not pairing it with the hardware wallet, if somebody gets into your device, they could sign a transaction on your behalf. Whereas, you know, with something like this, you have to physically have the device and know the password. So it adds a deeper level of protection, and that's what it's all about. So instead of having your keys, online, it is cold storage. Okay, so cold storage meaning your keys are held offline. On top of that, if you're used to using an online exchange, then this is going to allow you to own your seeds. So not your keys, not your cheese. So keep that in mind. Also, what else can we get into with it? I mean, if you guys go to the Crypto Moose YouTube channel, this channel, I have tons of videos. So if you want to learn how to set up this wallet step by step, you guys can go here, type in Tangem. Type in whatever tutorial you need to help you get started. So here I've got Tangem Wallet set up, 5 reasons. We're going to break it down better in this video. The best wallets, I have tons of videos. So if you guys want to know how to set up these wallets, I'm doing those on a regular basis as well. Okay, so let's dive into the reasons here. And of course, guys, use this link tree. It is to help you with everything. Save money, get the proper link. So if you are going to buy one, make sure that you guys are using the right links as well. Okay, so reason number 1. You guys probably noticed right away. Oh, just risked the whole video. If I drop it, I got to reshoot. Guys, this wallet is small. In fact, speaking of wallets, it fits in your wallet. So here we go. We could put it in front of the crypto card. Boom. It's a credit card size. Look at this. So if we go, try not to show any of the Moose's cards here, like card numbers. But if I were to hold something like this, this is one of my cards. It's the exact same size. So the fact that it's small, it makes it portable, and it's always on you. So whereas other devices, they're typically maybe left at home, they're on your desk, maybe shoved in a backpack, this thing fits in your wallet. It's slick, and there's so many other reasons why I like it, but it's an all-in-one device. You don't need to charge it, right? So guys, this is one of the smallest wallets, and the Tangem ring is even smaller. I'm just not wearing it right now. So you guys have to appreciate the fact that it's small. If you own one, let me know. Like, if you're going day to day, I'm sure you guys know, it's like, guys, the Tangem wallet is very small. It's a very good product in that sense. Okay, so reason number two it is simple. So we have the S's here. It's small, it's simple. We'll get into more. When I say it's simple, what I mean is it is simple to use because it works with your app. Okay, so whereas, a lot of wallets you have to interact with, software, maybe it only works, via desktop or laptop. This works with your phone. So let me show you here. And guys, I do have tutorials, so I highly, highly, highly recommend that you watch those. So here, all I'm going to do is go to my Tangem app. So I'm just trying to be cautious here. This is the app, okay? This is the product, okay? So you set up your card. By the way, setting up the device, you just tap it. So the way it works is you're going to go to scan card. So after you set it up, you scan your card. Now you put in your password. So for me, I'm just going to put in my PIN. So that's the layer of protection. So this is similar to signing a transaction. Now, I just tap the back. We're in. Look at that. So you can see a balance. The moose is absolutely broke right now. So this is just one of my cards. But guys, this is so simple. So if you have, whatever it may be, some Bitcoin on here. What do I have on here? Maybe a bit of XRP. If I wanted to send it to somebody, all I would do is hit send. So you hit the send button, put in the information, tap, sign away. So guys, when I say this is simple to use, anybody can use this device. So huge props to Tangem. Guys, the reason I'm promoting this wallet is because I use it every day. When I say every day, I'm checking it every day. So that's actually this card. The moose has a little bit more on here. But it's not about flexing today. It's about sharing the Tangem news, baby. Number 3. This wallet is secure. So let's go to the website just to give you guys some more visuals. Again, if you're using the link tree, which you should, because guys, this will give you the proper link. If you're using a fake website and ordering one, somebody could potentially tamper with it. I don't see it happening, but you want to protect yourself. So guys, use the link, go to Tangem, okay? Use code MOOSE, of course, save money. But let's go to the main page here. So this wallet is very secure. It's got what is known as EAL6+. So it's got some of the latest security here. So let's find out where that is. There's so much to talk about, which I like. So the Tangem chip, every Tangem wallet contains a powerful certified microchip developed with Samsung semiconductors. So guys, there's a chip in this device. That's how it works. And they were able to put the chip in a ring, which is cool as well. So the highest chip security standard, EAL6+, protection from any invasive and non-invasive attacks. So you also have resistance to dust. Guys, I have had this particular wallet for probably over 2 years now. It's probably been like close to 2 years. This wallet's a little scratched, but I kind of like it, and it's sturdy. So it's, waterproof. You don't have to worry about, you can throw it on the table, you can throw it in your backpack. I recommend putting it in your wallet, but this thing's pretty durable, it's not meant to be, metal, which I believe they're working on right now. But guys, this wallet has a lot of good benefits. So in terms of security, it's very good. So Tangem has never been hacked, and I don't know. I mean, this thing's awesome. So just a chip with an antenna. So I really like that. I think in terms of security, this wallet is very secure. So I've never had any issues with it, and it just seems to work as well. So in terms of it holding up over the years, guys, like this is the easiest thing for me to promote. Like I love this wallet. Okay, so small, simple, secure. Guys, number 4, it's sexy, right? You get the moose who's like, moose got a nice haircut. Not quite sexy. This wallet, sexy, right? This wallet is everything you want it to be in terms of looks. This is Scarlett Johansson and Brad Pitt in one. It's just what it is. It's so simple, and simplicity really is the ultimate sophistication. But it's so slick, and you can get different colors as well. So guys, going to the website, let's go redo this again. Again, use code MOOSE. But guys, you can get the stealth version. Stealth meaning, I believe there's just no logo. And, you know, if you guys are America, y'all can pick up one of these as well, right? It would be nice. Here's going to be a little plug. If you guys come out with the Canadian version, I will promote that. So Tangem, if you guys are listening, a Canadian flag or a beaver, which I think I've only seen one before, maybe a moose. Put a moose on there. But guys, honestly, like Canadian flag, that would be really cool. I think people would like that, right? Not the 51st state, but the Canadian flag for sure. So here you have, which one's this? The Blush Sky. Electra C. That one's kind of cool. This one I picked up before, right? The Hyper Blue. I think it was the Hyper Blue. This looks good. So, like, guys, getting a color that you want too, that's just impressive as heck. So here you can get multicolor, and you could use day to day, whichever card you want. And by the way, when you are setting up this wallet, you can now use a seed phrase. So it's been like that for a while. I have a video showing you how to set it up with the seed phrase. So maybe I'll put it right here in the video or somewhere up in the corner. But yeah, set it up with the seed phrase. Because if you ever lose one of these cards, part of this security one, you can just buy another set, import your seed. So basically when you're setting up a crypto wallet, like any other wallet, as long as it's non-custodial where you own the seed, this wallet holds your private keys, right? So you have your mnemonic seed phrase, your private keys, the device is holding it, and it's password protected. And with this, you need to tap it. Some other wallets, you have to physically, tap the device to sign a transaction. That's the security. So if you ever lose this, it's fine. This is simply a way in which you can interact temporarily with your private key. So it's all about those words. So make sure you back up your seed phrase. And if you need help, I have online courses. I have things and ways to help you. So there's all these different ones. Trust me, this wallet is sexy. Okay, support. And I just thought about something else regarding support. Let's go back to the website. This wallet, it seems to me that every week they seem to be adding more support. When I'm talking about support, I'm talking about software support specifically. So if you guys own Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Ethereum, this wallet is going to support those assets, right? So it now supports things like NFTs on specific chains as well. You guys can swap tokens with this wallet as well. So using their app, they have a very good app. Guys, comment down below if you agree. But I am impressed. That's why I'm making this video too. I'm like, geez Louise, like they sent me this wallet and I'm like, I don't know. It's just a card, whatever. And I started using it and I'm like, geez, this is pretty good. And after a week, this is my number one wallet. It just is. And that's because it works with your app and, support is just there. They have so many different partnerships where you can swap and get low fees. So there's tons and tons and tons going on there. Let's take a look here. There you go. So access thousands of cryptocurrencies. So here, if you were to type in, for me, it'd be Cardano. So you can hold Cardano with this. You have Bitcoin, BTC, like Ethereum. You guys can put in whatever you want, but this thing supports a lot. So you can even, see which networks. So like, guys, if you're looking for something that is affordable, or let's just put it this way, that is small, simple, secure, sexy, and has a lot of support, this is your wallet. This is just your wallet, okay? So I don't know what else to say. Those are the reasons why I love this wallet. Guys, use code MOOSE. Pick up a wallet. Check out all the other links. But more importantly, comment down below. Are you using this wallet? Did this video help you decide? I do like this wallet a lot, and every week, like I said, every month, I'm just kind of more abashed by everything. I'm like, wow, these guys have built a product that I wish I would have come up with. But at least I can, use code Moose and, get a little bit of a kickback and to help support the channel. But I do love talking about this wallet, and there's so much more to come in the near future. So, guys, let me know, what do you think about the Tangem wallet? And with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.